Now we have some big news coming in. Prime Minister is holding a crucial meeting in the Parliament. Home Minister Amit Shah, the Agricultural Minister Narendra Singh Tomar and INB Minister Prakash Javadekar are currently present. The meeting is to discuss the farmers' protest and the budget session that's currently being discussed. Sources tell us that this high-level meet has Prime Minister Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, Agricultural Minister Narendra Singh Tomar and INB Minister Prakash Javadekar, who are currently discussing farmers' protest and the budget session. Let's quickly cut across to Rahul Srivastava joining us live for more details on this. Rahul, we're looking at a high-level meet that's currently being carried out by Prime Minister Modi. You have the Home Minister, INB Minister, Agricultural Minister. We believe farmers' protest is being discussed even as the border situation escalates. We're looking at a lot of celebrities from Hollywood now posting against the farmers, asking for discussion and debates, while the MEA has responded with sharp retorts, asking for celebrities to be better informed before speaking out on the cause. What do you think is happening in this high-level meet right now?
Nabila, if you look at the borders of Delhi, there is an unprecedented siege laid down by unions and farmers in response to ensure that there is no repeat of a 26 January-like situation where, despite an accord between the farm unions and the Delhi police, a large number of farm protesters virtually invaded Delhi, and there were ugly scenes at the Red Fort, and there were violence in some parts, especially at ITO crossing, which is one of the arterial segments in the city. And after that, remember that there is a parliament session going on. Any kind of untoward incident at the border in terms of the protesters escalating the protest and the attempt by Delhi police to stop them where they are, and in case some kind of excessive force is used, can escalate into a very serious political crisis. And that is why Mr. Amit Shah, the Home Minister, is said to be briefing the Prime Minister and others on what kind of intizam has been created at the borders to ensure that there is no 26 January-like repeat. And also remember, the government has to strategize not just about the protests, but also the fact that during the parliament session, there is an acute demand by the opposition parties that there should be a very strong separate discussion on the farm protests and the farm bills, especially with several parties seeking the repeal of the laws. 20 of them had boycotted the address of the president at the start of the budget session. In that scenario, how the discussion will be taken up? Remember that the motion of thanks for the president's speech is on in the houses, and the government has to respond to the kind of charges which may come from the opposition during the motion of thanks. And that is why the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, Mr. Joshi, is also present in the meeting. So is Prakash Javadekar, the Information and Broadcasting Minister, who is expected to provide inputs on how largely the attempts in terms of the media outreach and others being planned. So what one can say is that the strategy is not just limited to the parliament session, but in view of the parliament session, what exactly should be the strategy at the Home Ministry front, at the Parliamentary Affairs front and others. All these issues are likely to be discussed in this meeting.
Sure enough, Rahul. Thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.